Changing the destiny of a child is why we do our jobs. When you're a class teacher, you have the responsibility for 30 children to drive forward their learning and to give them that ambition and creativity. When you're the head teacher, you may not teach anymore, but you have the opportunity here for me to change 420 children's lives. I've been Benhurst head teacher since September 2013. When I took over the school requires improvement. It was stuck in the past, it was doing things that it had done for a long time, and nobody had actually questioned, why are we doing it, does it work, and very importantly, what's the impact on the children and staff, for the parents or for the community. Over the 4 years I've been here, every single year we make another improvement, and we used our core values to drive that forward.
The core values are like the foundation. They really structure Benhurst, so we try and use them in all aspects of learning and as at home life as well.
It's definitely improved the way that we show respect to each other and how we talk to each other and things. Every week we get awarded if we show those with sunshine badges and stickers, or just a call to your parents saying how well you've done.
Could we give them all a very big clap? So when I first came here, we had blackboards and whiteboards, overhead projectors, and you couldn't use technology to enhance learning. It was useful, but it wasn't a tool that moved learning forward, and actually it was quite uninspiring, and when it didn't work, it caused a huge disruption to lessons. So we invested a lot of time and money researching a range of different ICT providers, and we felt that Smart was the right fit for our school.
The first time I used Smart, oh God, it was amazing. Just being able to touch everything and write on it. It definitely improved our learning. Now when we're doing arithmetic tests, we get more marks. I'm not sure how that works. From using a projector to using a board that can be controlled with your hands, it improved us a lot, our learning.
We have a number of children 3 or 4 years ago where we weren't able to get them to come out of their shell, and we hadn't quite found what unlocks them. What we found with technology, and in particular if I take Smart as an example, the children have suddenly found a voice. Children don't need inspiring, children are already inspired. When they come to school they have a love of learning, a love of life. My job and the teacher's job is simply to continue that journey. Many of them are leading what we're doing, and that includes our head boy, who's really come on, not just with his confidence, but then with his academic levels, because he realises he has so much to give.
I used to be, let's say, one of the shy ones who didn't really like speaking a lot, so I think Smart really helped me with that. They can take the names off, so they don't know who's wrote it down, which helped me quite a lot, so they didn't say, oh, that sentence wrote by Jensen. And also, it just helps because you can communicate without actually talking, which I like the best.
Smart Notebook and just smart technology in general gives you a huge range of freeness and imagination to do whatever you like. It makes your imagination bigger. What if I can do this in real life?
The parents' reaction to the smart boards and the software was very interesting. At first they were very happy. They saw these shiny new boards, they looked around the school and they thought, wow, the school's moving forward. We had children in Year 3 going home, talking to their parents about something they didn't understand. That was fascinating because we had a number of parents who were very, very insecure because that goes against everything we're supposed to do as parents. As a father myself, I'm supposed to teach my children when they're younger how to do things and how to be. And when they come home with homework, I support. Now we have children in Year 3 and Year 4, 5 and 6 going home having to support their parents in, no, this is what Smart is, this is why we do it, this is how it works. And it's been a real change for some of our parents, but now they've seen the power of the technology we use, they're absolutely on board.
The programs that they use with the technology has been absolutely outstanding. It's made Jasmine so much more keen to want to learn and participate in a subject which she finds difficult. It's made her progress really fly, so I'm really, really happy.
When I came here, the results were broadly national average. We used improved teaching and learning, we used improved leadership and management and a whole staff buy-in to the ICT, and now in all areas of the school, we're going from reception through to Year 6, all of our results are considerably above national average.
Technology is important for me because generally, think 30 years back and the jobs that we have now that we wouldn't have had back then. Just maybe I'll have a job in the future that isn't invented now. So definitely my future is dependent on ICT.